have found in my practice, common mistakes that people make going through a divorce with custody is speaking negatively about their spouse. It is so easy to do because you may be angry, you may be overwhelmed about the situation, your spouse may have committed adultery, but it is never good for the kids to hear anything negative about the parent. And your kids are going to do so much better if you keep the kids isolated from the emotions and the issues involving the divorce. Another common mistake that we see is not documenting interactions between the children and the other parent and the other parent's involvement in the children's life. And you need to document your involvement, your school involvement, doctors, everything involved in taking care of the needs of your children should be documented. It's important to document these things so that if you do end up having a trial on your custody case, the court needs to hear all the facts related to your involvement with the children. And if you haven't documented it, sometimes it's a lot harder to recall all the things that maybe the other parent did that were unhealthy for the children. Another mistake that we commonly see in divorces involving custody is a parent will miss visitation. And if you're the parent that has a visitation order, it is so important for you to comply with that visitation order, because if your case goes to trial and the other parent is trying to get certain rights exclusively, that other parent is going to tell the judge, "Judge, this parent did not exercise all the visitation that the parent was entitled to under the prior order. I'm the parent that is taking care of these children, so therefore I should have these exclusive rights." So you don't want to miss visitation pursuant to an order or an agreement because you don't want to have your rights taken away. Another common mistake that people make going through a custody case is telling your child what to tell the other parent. That is so bad, and that is just not healthy for the child. And if your case ends up going to court, that is something that a judge will not be happy with. It is more important for the two parents to figure out a healthy way to communicate with your other co-parent, because your kids are going to benefit if the two parents are able to communicate effectively and in a healthy way. If you have any questions about custody and the mistakes that are easy to make, give us a call. We'd love to help you.